Hi, my name is Sophia Shukin. I am the naturalist here at Lake Katherine Nature Center, and on this episode of Come Back to Nature, we are talking about snakes. I have one of our ambassador animals in my hands right now. He is a corn snake, and we have a few other species in the Nature Center as well. Ambassador animals are great animals that we can use as teaching tools to help people learn about and appreciate animals better, such as snakes. Snakes can often be misunderstood as a species. People think that they are creepy and they are venomous, whereas in reality, snakes are actually very sweet, as you can see here. And in the wild, they will not come up to you or hurt you unless you come up to them. We also do not have any venomous snakes in our area. So we don't have to worry about that. The only types of snakes we have around here are constrictors, meaning that they wrap around their prey and they constrict it in order to eat it. The venomous snakes will bite and poison their prey. So we don't have any of those here. Right now, we have our corn snake here. You can tell his coloration is a little dull because he is going to shed pretty soon. Snakes shed their skin, depending on how fast they grow, about once a month or every couple of months. They shed from head to toe, including their eye scales, because they do not blink. He's starting to search around a little bit more. But they're really great for the environment. Snakes are great pest control. They feed on mice, rats, and other small vertebrates that you would otherwise not want in your home. So we really enjoy them out in nature, and if you do see them in their yard, they are just eating the little rodents and things you don't want in your yard anyway. So we hope that you've learned a little more about snakes and come and visit our ambassador animals inside. So my name is Sophie. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Come Back to Nature, and we hope to see you soon.